Today's Gospel, Matthew 18:21-35, is one of the great challenges we would ever come across the scriptures. Forgiveness is a difficult task. It seems almost impossible in human terms to forgive someone who has hurt repeatedly. Can a son or daughter really ever forgive a parent who never loved and cared for as he or she deserved? Or can anyone forgive the offender who either physically or sexually abused? Can a spouse forgive one's mate who either abandoned or has become unfaithful? Can I forgive my colleague who spoiled my name and cheated me? How can I forgive my companion who grabbed my opportunity in order to get better position at working place? Of course, it is difficult. Even if we try to forgive, often our ego does not allow us. We feel we are becoming small by asking or giving forgiveness. When we do ask forgiveness from someone and the other does not respond to us in proper manner, we feel ridiculed and even get disappointed. It is easy to tell others about forgiveness, but it is hard to practice in one's personal life. When I have been deeply and intentionally hurt by somebody close to me, it tears me apart to forgive that person. Forgiveness is a gift and we must humbly beg for it from God. Jesus does not want us to keep a careful records of our forgiveness. So he says, not 7 times, but 70 times 7. He wants all of us to take forgiveness in small measures to start with. If we are forgiven in large measures by Jesus, then we are called to take at least a small measure in forgiving others. Matthew 10:8 says, "You received without payment, so give without being paid." If God never discards us due to our faults, then can't we give forgiveness to our brothers and sisters who offended us? It is beyond human ability, but it is a call to be like God. That is why we say, to err is human and to forgive is divine. God gives and forgives, and we humans gets and forgets. Amen. Today's Gospel, Matthew 18:21-35, is one of the great challenges we would ever come across the scriptures. Forgiveness is a difficult task. It seems almost impossible.